Hey there, apologize for the delay. I've been flooded with much messages after my last video about the voice trading address issue, and today I finally have the time to share something amazing. This is one of my clients from Pakistan who reached out after watching our video struggling with his LLC based Wise accounts, trading address problem. The moment he contacted us, we got his login details, carefully reviewed his account, and prepared the perfect document to submit to Wise. And you can see here, after submitting our document, you can see the dashboard. The red line is vanished, and we are just go to card section and see what happens. And if you have any particular issue about the trading address on the LTD based or LLC based or any European company based Wise account, you can contact us without any issue and we will solve it right away after you contact us. Okay, we have a slightly fees for this. We charge only for our document, and we provide 100% authentic document for your problem, and we will provide 100% guarantee. You can see his review. We have got his review. He's very much happy about our service. And if you have any issue like this, just contact us without thinking and we will be solving out your problem. I hope you like our video. Remember to like and subscribe and contact us. Our WhatsApp number is given in the comment section. Thank you so much.